Hi, friends. So, again, we are back to Entrepreneur Journey, and we have a wonderful entrepreneur story today. Again, a beautiful lady with lovely husband of hers. They are here. You can see them. So, they have 22-year-old experience in interior designing. They have designed home, corporates, villas, spas, saloons, and whatever you name. And I've been seeing them, getting national and international award. And in fact, they have also been nominated in London Festival of Architect, and they've been appreciated all across the world in 22 years. So in today's world, you met architects, how they are dealing. You met the home decor lady last week. So today, let's hear from interior designer what's happening in their field. Welcome, you beautiful couple in the show.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Tanuja and
Namrata.
Yogesh.
Thank you,
Tanuja and
Namrata.
Yogesh. Yes, how are you all feeling?
We are feeling great,
Yeah,
Namrata.
great, great.
It's wonderful platform, and thank you for inviting us.
So you decorate everyone's life. You make their home special, offices special. So it's our pleasure to call you on the show and make our show special today. It's really
Thank you.
both of your. It is. How is everything going? Tell me about the journey as a couple. How difficult it is to have professional and personal life with the same partner. How is it
Yes.
going? Is it good
It's
or is it
been
not good?
no, it's wonderful,
Well,
Namrata. It's
Yeah.
been long journey to reach up to this stage. After completion of my science graduation, my interest in art and creativity, I joined into this interior designing field. So for that, I joined JJ School of Architecture for 1 year course. After that, also I want to pursue my study, but in that same time, I got married to Yogesh. So after,
Okay.
so after marriage, when my son became 1 year old, I again joined Raija School of Architecture for diploma in interior designing. And I'm very happy to say that I completed that diploma with flying colors. That is,
Wow.
I was the gold medalist of the college.
Yeah,
So,
that was after your son was born. That was after
yes,
your son was born.
yes,
yeah,
yes.
Okay, great. Okay. Haha.
Yeah. Then afterwards, I started working as an interior designer with one
Mhm.
architectural firm. That time, I had designed one my bedroom. And one day, Yogesh cousin and her husband visited our house, and they impressed with the design by seeing the designing of that bedroom, and they immediately offered me the designing of their bungalow in Koregaon Park, Pune. So that was the
Wow.
first break for me, and got the designing of two storied bungalow in Pune. So after completion of that project, I got many projects in Pune. So designing of bungalow apartments. Then afterwards, so that way my journey started in Pune. And afterwards,
Okay.
I got many projects in Pune and Pan India. We did many projects. So now we have more than 200 clients who had taken our services. So that way
Okay.
our journey started. And
Okay.
after
That's
that, to reach our brand internationally, we had taken part in International Design and Architecture Award, and I'm very proud to say that we are the only Indian company which was nominated twice for this international award. So that was in 2018 and 2019, which was held in London. So that is my journey.
that's really, very, very impressive, Tanuja. You did more than 200 projects. And the
Yeah.
best thing is you started your journey from Pune. Yes, Yogesh, how are you all different
yeah,
from other interiors? How are you all different?
yeah. We started with Tanuja. I started because my background was from printing technology, and then we started
Okay.
our furniture shop in Malad, and then we used to go to Pune on site. But that time the site was very, it takes too much time to complete it, 7-8 months to complete. Then with that time that all that contractors and vendors and suppliers are appointed by the client only. So it will take time. Then even client has to run away, run behind all these agencies. That time we decide that we have to take all with designing and with turnkey projects, and we start doing turnkey projects, and we do all that projects in just 4 months. If that time they are taking 7 to 8 months, and we are doing it in this just 4 and 5 months. We are completing our projects. That is the main success actually. That we are doing our projects within time and within client's budget also. This is our USP also.
Wow.
And,
Wow, time and budget both.
yeah,
What do you mean by turnkey, Yogesh? What does it mean by turnkey project? What is
yeah.
that?
Turnkey means we all take all the responsibility on us by hiring all these contractors, these carpenters, electricians, POP. So no need for the client to take all these efforts. We are taking care of all these things, and it will definitely easy for the client. So he don't have to run behind all these agencies and execute all this. So it very easy for them. One stop, you can say, one stop solution in turnkey solutions, and we give
Okay.
complete budgetary estimate. So there is no again surprise in budget. That is the
Okay.
main.
So if I want to renovate my house, I get the best affordable budget. I get it within
Yeah,
4 months, everything done complete.
yeah.
And but I'm not able to. How easy or how challenging it is to deal with this carpenters, electricians, POPs you are talking about, especially now. Is it easy to deal with them? How do you manage that whole team?
No, these our team is around 15 years back. The same team we are using, and they are with us for
Okay.
last 15 years. There is no
Okay.
problem at all with any carpenter, any civil work contractors. They are all like our family, and we do as a teamwork. That's why there is no problem at all. In this pandemic situation, also we have started already 3 sites. In Trump Tower also we started just now.
Oh
This is a
wow.
prestigious project in Mumbai. So we
Yeah.
started
Trump
yesterday
Tower
only.
is one of the icon of Mumbai. So you started in
Yeah,
this COVID
yeah,
situation.
yeah.
Seriously.
In this,
Oh wow. How did you get
and
this project in this current situation?
yeah, it's a NRI client. I'll tell you the story. Yesterday only, we only took the possession of their flat.
Okay.
Because
So client is
that
not in India.
client is in London, and Shweta and
Okay.
Sriranga is the client, and we took the possession of their flat. That's the main. That kind of trust they have put on us.
Yeah.
Give it.
And
And one more thing we did puja. Tanuja and me did puja on their site, and that video
Wow.
we posted to them. We make one
yeah,
video clip, and then we posted. That was the best ever
yeah,
thing.
they overwhelmed by this our gesture. So it is the trust again by them. So we are adding value to that trust actually.
Actually, I also want to see that video. I request all who are watching
Yeah,
this show to go to Tanu Yog Interiors at your page and see this video. It will be so
yeah,
exciting that you
yeah,
doing the puja for housewarming.
yeah,
Wow, that is really exciting. So this is how you add values to your customer. What
yeah,
special do
yeah.
you do? What is
Our
your special value
Yeah,
addition?
actually, our driving force behind this is we fulfill our clients' dream to come into reality by upgrading their lifestyle for happiness. So this is our core purpose. Upgrading lifestyle for happiness is our core purpose of our company, and we make our clients as our designing as the part of our designing process. That way he get interested, and then we add values by adding this space utilization, and then the unique designs and creativity. and then we promised two commitments to them, that budget of execution and timely delivery. And that's why, as Yogesh said, is the USP of our Tanuja and Associates is interior within given time and within given budget. So budget don't also shoot up, and we complete our project within given time. So I will tell you one story that before lockdown, we were doing one project in our complex only. So we had given them 3 months time limit, and as per limit, the project should be completed on 31st of March. And but this we in this scenario, when the lockdown is, when we come to know that lockdown will start, so we apply all our forces and extra labors, and we completed just one day before the lockdown this side, and the client gets shifted in that place, and they are happily staying in this new house in this lockdown period, because the
Wow.
after all, the home is the best place to live in this pandemic situation. That we,
Absolutely.
yeah, you all can say.
Stay. Yeah. One
Yeah.
more thing I have to add. We have done almost yes, 6 months back. We have completed 5,000 square feet apartment in Pune. That was our seventh project of the same client in this
Wow.
22 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is how the
That
yeah,
is
this is how yeah.
So this is how you got your work, and this is how
Yeah.
you have satisfied customer
Yeah.
and word of mouth growth. So
Yeah.
Yes.
Tanuja, your background looks very beautiful. I can see the POP, the lights and all. Is that made by you?
Yes, of course. That, and this project
Okay.
we have completed within 75 days time. So,
Wow.
yeah,
And we are enjoying in this lockdown period. We are
yeah,
enjoying our house,
enjoying
new
our
house.
home.
So
So,
wow. So you, yeah. What are
we
you saying,
shifted
Tanuja?
here. Yeah, we shifted in December only in this house. So,
Okay.
yeah, that way it's a
So
new
you
house.
both keep on shifting house. So you both keep on making house and shifting to new houses.
Yeah, this is our third house.
Wow. What a profession to be in.
Yeah.
Great. So, in this pandemic, also your work is going on. You have no problem with labors, and as you're saying, you have 15 years old workers and all. So, what is the
Yeah.
formula of your team management? Because I know that they are not the people who always live up to commitment. You know, it requires lots of patience to handle them. So, can you give some tips regarding that? How you manage your staffs?
No, in this actually in this pandemic scenario, all contractors were not giving the money to the that workers, but we directly transfer the small amount of 4,000, 5,000 to each small workers. So that kind of relation we keep with them, and they help us in, because they are the partners. They, because of them we only grow. So
Yeah,
that
yeah, we can complete
Yeah.
our projects in timely manner.
Because,
So,
oh
yeah.
wow, okay. So, what is your target audience, Tanuja? What is your target audience?
See, our target audience is any owners in high-end complexes in Mumbai and Pune, and also we are looking for 2 and 3 tier cities, so we can help them also. So, like Nagpur, Nashik, Kolhapur. So, and also we can do projects, or we can help our NRI clients also with our international, because our son is in Japan and he is also an architect. So
Wow.
that way we can help our
That's
NRI clients also.
okay. So, what did you learn from interiors in Japan? Like, what is different in Japan?
Yeah, Japan, they have very their designing is very simple, and what you can,
minimalistic.
minimalistic, yeah,
Yeah.
minimalistic design. So
Okay.
it's very different than our culture. So it's totally different than our Indian culture. So Indian designing and Japanese architecture and designing is very different.
Okay, great. So you both are individually different members of BOC. How do you both like find Yogesh? What difference did BOC bring in your life?
Oh, BOC, that's the great platform. It's amazing cross-learning platform, I can say. And it's a great experience with all these Star Wars, I think, in the business. And also with full positive and inspiring personality of Mr. Rajesh sir and Rohit sir. They always guide us to improve our business and also help to shifting our mindset to the next level. That's the great business opportunity club. They are very much in positiveness in our life. They are giving.
Awesome. That's really true. Even
Yeah.
I feel the same. Yes, Tanuja, how is your experience in BOC?
Yes, BOC is the platform where all like-minded and innovative, thoughtful, provoking entrepreneurs who are bunched together, I could say. So they are all positive-minded, and in this pandemic situation also, because of energetic personality like Agnello Rajesh sir and Rohit sir, during this pandemic also we can bounce back into new normal, I think.
Yes, we all got our energy to bounce back and make so many new projects and make so much money because of BOC. That's fantastic. Next question is audience question for both of you. It is from Ravi Salunke. What's your plan to extend your service to 2-tier and 3-tier cities? Yes, you mentioned that.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
because nowadays the people are looking for the good house and surroundings and garden and that kind of thing. That is very much easy in the 2-tier cities, and they can afford it in the 2-tier cities also. That's why we are,
Right.
and
Yeah,
they
and
didn't get the good architects and interior designers there. So we are definitely plan to
work from them,
work.
work for them.
Okay. Next question is from our mentor Agnello Rajesh. He's asking Tanuja how you are different in what what do you do, that and how, like, question to Yogesh is how do you manage the skilled workforce in term of delivery on time? Just time. What is your 3 months or 4 months, and what helps you to do that to finish the projects on time?
Yeah. So,
Right.
yeah, Rajesh sir, my driving force is being in this field is fulfilling the client's dream into reality by upgrading their lifestyle. That is my, yeah, and what I differently do is that we complete our project within given time and given budget. That is, and
And
this
this,
is,
yeah, for me actually, Rajesh sir, I would like to say the skilled workforce in terms of delivery, because we are managing all coordination with these carpenters, POP person. This important thing is to coordinate with all agencies, because it all depends upon each and every agency. Work will stop otherwise. So we take care of the coordination, and we will definitely. We are now what you say, that confident to complete the project in given time. That we have the confidence.
yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.
And this time also
Hmm.
means we are our laborers are on site and we are providing them tiffin service, and also they are staying on site and they are doing their project, means they are doing their work on site.
Because you are giving it in limited time and limited budget, and that's how you are getting your clients from your word of mouth, and you are growing in this
Hmm.
pandemic also. It was so wonderful meeting both of you and sharing your knowledge and experience. Any goodbye note you would like to tell our viewers? Anything you would like to say before signing off or calling our next guest?
No,
So
it's a
stay
good
safe.
field actually. Yeah, interior designing is good field. So every actually a good opportunity for the contractors also. So many
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah, yeah, it's a good field for contracting.
Newcomers in interior designing also, and for any new
Young,
young entrepreneur who want to become a contractor. It's a opportunity for them, because most of the contractors and laborers have gone to their places,
native.
natives. So it's good opportunity who wants to do their new venture
Yeah,
as a
yeah.
contractor. So there is money in this field, and they can also come into this field.
So
That's
you
what
are giving them an invite. Who wants to join can contact Tanuja
Yes.
and Yogesh. Are you
Yeah,
giving them a
yes.
work opportunity?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
definitely we
yes,
can give.
definitely. Yes.
Okay, great. Yes. So
Sir, we can't hear you.
that's wonderful. Hmm.
Is awesome, Namrata. That was a lovely conversation with Tanuja and Yogesh Rani, and the kind of work that they do. So if you can see the background where Tanuja is sitting, that background, so beautiful background, is all created by them also. So they are the outcome of their own product as well. You can see the product in live demonstration. It was a lovely conversation. I feel being positive in any environment is critically important, and that's what this couple is. They are very positive, and in spite of whatever the scenario outside is, when you control your mind, the opportunities come to you in multifold, and that's what is happening with this couple. They are doing a couple of interiors, and they got some new contracts in the past few days. In fact, I think one contract what they just spoke about is in Trump Tower itself. So that's
Yes.
fantastic work. That is
Yeah.
focus on your opportunities and focus on your activities, and that definitely gives results. Namrata, you are doing a wonderful job in bringing out the best in entrepreneurs, and Business Opportunities Club as a platform is a platform which is going to be creating and helping this country to create a robust economy by encouraging and empowering successful entrepreneurs like Yogesh Rani and Tanuja Rani, and making sure they're connected to the world, their work is being seen to the world. Like, for example, now what you're doing with them online on this Facebook live show, you're taking their talent, their skill sets, and their capabilities to the entire world on what they can expect from this couple. So that's a wonderful arrangement, and I'm sure this will work. All the viewers there who are seeing this show, you can see the sample just behind Tanuja Rani and even behind Yogesh Rani. If you want to change your interiors, if you want to make your home a comfortable place to work from as well, they have got some ready-made turnkey solutions which will not disturb your daily living, and at the same time they will give you a solution which will make you productive even in your work. So I think this is a phenomenal arrangement, and today it's all about ecosystem, developing your own ecosystem, and Business Opportunities Club is nothing but an ecosystem of entrepreneurs from different walks of life, where people come together, they work together, they learn together, they validate what they are doing, they take new decisions in consultation with the whole group so that they're on the right track, and that's how they tackle any situation, including the current one. So I feel it's time for the next guest of Business Opportunities Club,